Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something special for you. The Sperax walking pad, the best home treadmill with incline on the market. If you're looking for a convenient way to stay active without sacrificing space or comfort, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Sperax walking pad, discussing its features, benefits, and why it's a game changer for home fitness. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Alright, let's kick things off by unboxing the Sperax walking pad. As you can see, it arrives fully assembled, which is a major plus. No more struggling with complicated setups. You'll be up and running in no time. Now, let's take a closer look at the Sperax walking pad's key features. First up, the incline function. This treadmill offers 6 different incline modes, with a maximum incline angle of 12 degrees. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, the Sperax walking pad can cater to your exercise needs, providing a more intense workout experience. Next, the powerful 2.5 horsepower motor. Despite its compact size, this treadmill can support users of up to 320 pounds. Plus, it's equipped with an internal noise reduction layer, ensuring a quiet and uninterrupted workout session. Convenience is key with the Sperax walking pad. It comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. And thanks to its transport pulley, moving it around your home is a breeze. Its compact design means you can place it in any corner when not in use. The treadmill features a user-friendly LED display that shows important workout metrics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. You can even adjust the speed and incline using the included remote control. Talk about convenience. The Sperax walking pad boasts a 5-layer running belt for a non-slip, shock-absorbing, and comfortable exercise experience. With a larger running area, you'll have plenty of space to walk or jog with ease. Alright, enough talk. Let's put this treadmill to the test. As you can see, it's smooth, quiet, and feels great to walk on. Whether you're working, watching TV, or taking a conference call, this treadmill can easily fit into your daily routine. With a 4.5-star rating and over 2,900 reviews, customers love the Sperax walking pad for its size, quality, convenience, and performance. Many find it perfect for their busy lifestyles, and it's a great addition to any home gym setup. So there you have it, folks. The Sperax walking pad, the best home treadmill. With incline that offers convenience, comfort, and an amazing workout experience. If you're ready to step up your fitness game without stepping out of your home, this is the perfect choice. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep on critiquing those products.